Alright guys, you're welcome to this video. You're welcome. I'm very excited to have you guys here. Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to purchase your domain and hosting with Hostinger. I'm going to show you how to purchase your domain and hosting so that you can host your website. Now the reason why I choose Hostinger, I've been hosting my website with Hostinger. The reason why I choose Hostinger is because Hostinger is reliable and cheap. There are other hosting platforms out there, but I prefer Hostinger because Hostinger is relatively cheap compared to the others, and they also have very good services. They provide very good services. They provide they have good customer services as well. So guys, let's dive directly into my computer screen. Let me show you how you can purchase domain and hosting with Hostinger. All right guys, now you just need to open a new tab. You just type hostinger.com. When you look up here, you see here hostinger.com. Now you scroll down. When you scroll down, you can create an account with Hostinger. You see here I'm logged. They'll ask you login. I'm not logging to my account, so they'll ask you to log in, but just leave that aside. When you come down here, when you select the package which you want, you actually that's when now you create an account with Hostinger. I already have an account, so I'm not creating an account again with Hostinger. All right, now let me explain these packages. All right, now when you look here, the first package which is talking about which is actually now presently, you see here they'll say single shared hosting. You see most popular, premium shared hosting, business share hosting. Now let me explain the difference between all these hosting packages. Now when you purchase this particular package, this single shared hosting, you'll be able to host just one website. Now look at, you see here, one website, 30 gigabyte SSD storage. You see 10,000 visits monthly, one email account, free SSL certificate, free domain, Google Ads credit. You see 10 gig bandwidth, manage WordPress, here WordPress acceleration, 30 days money back guarantee, two database, GTI access. Now you can see all the features. When you just click on all, you'll see all the features here. Now there is something, let me check here and tell you subdomain, about subdomain. Now with this particular hosting plan, you can host just two subdomains. Now what do I mean by subdomain? Let's say for example you purchase a domain name, you want to build a website on that that hosting package with that domain. Now you actually have the opportunity to practice. Let me say for example you're learning web design and you want to keep practicing other like doing other websites, or maybe you want to do sample websites so that you can show your clients. You will have the probability or the opportunity to do just two websites on this particular hosting package, or on this using this particular domain. You have to attach, that you attach another name to your domain name, then build a website on it, install WordPress and build a website. I'm going to be showing you how to actually do that, to install WordPress on a subdomain. You check the video in the description, you check the link of that video in the description below. You're going to find it there, how to install WordPress on a subdomain. All right, now let's go to the second package, this other package, which is $2.59. When you see here, you realize that you can host up to 100 websites on this hosting package. Now what do I mean by what do they mean by hosting up to 100 websites? You purchase your domain name, then you host it on this particular hosting plan. You can purchase a domain name for $1, $2, then you bring it and you host it on this particular hosting plan. Then you have 100 gigabyte SSD storage, you have 25,000 visits monthly, you have free emails unlimited, you have SSL certificate. Now what do we mean by SSL certificate? SSL certificate, when you look here, just look at my browser up here where my mouse is, you see here they'll tell you hostinger.com connection is secured. That is because they have installed, they have this SSL certificate installed on their domain, on their hosting plan. Now you see here free domain, Google Ads credit, and so on. Then let's go down. You see up to 100 subdomains. You can design up to 100, or you can design up to 100 websites, sub websites. That's using subdomains. Like, let me say, for example, you have a website, you're hosting a website known as let me just say abc.com, abc.com, for example. Now that is your main website. That is your main website. Now you want to practice, you want to design other websites, you want to practice how to design. Now what do? Do you have to go and install a new WordPress on abc.com? No. Now with this particular hosting plan, you just need to create a subdomain. Like you can say blog.abc.com, you can say onlineshop.abc.com. Then now when you create that, you install WordPress on that subdomain which you actually created. Now please check the link in the description below. You're actually going to find a link to the video I have done on how to install WordPress on the subdomain. All right, so you see, this is actually, you have here 100 websites. Here too you have 100 websites. Then let's see the subdomains. You can actually do 100 subdomains, but this other one have additional features that are more than this. So but this is the plan I am using, most popular, which is premium shared hosting. Now let's take premium shared hosting for example. Let's say you want to take this, but you can take this as well if you want. Let's say you want to design a website, you're hosting just a single website, you can do it here. But let's say for somebody who wants to keep practicing, somebody who wants to host like let's say 100 or as many websites as possible, we'll take this second plan. Now when you click on it, now this is what happens. All right, now this is what happens. This is what you're actually going to see. You see here 1 month. When you take 1 month, you're actually going to your plan. Now you see plan renews at $10.29 per month. When you take just 1 month, you are going to renew your website because it has to expire after 1 month. Since you're taking just 1 month period, it means after 1 month you have to purchase this domain again. If you're purchasing, 1 month will be $10.29. You get? So this is your renewal amount. You renew at the same amount. All right, now let's look at something here. Let's look at something here. Now, when you take 12 months, when you purchase this domain for 12 months, that is at $2.4 a month. It therefore means that when you are to renew the website, you are going to renew it at $8.99 a month, which therefore means that it is actually preferable to take 12 months than to take 1 month, because your renewal amount has actually dropped by about $2. You see here $10 here, it has dropped for about $2. When you come here 24 months, you see that you are purchasing for $3.71, but your renewal plan is actually $6.99. You see that there is a difference between this and this. There is a difference of about 3 point something dollar, or even $4. All right, and there is a difference to here of about $2. When you come here, you take 48 months. 48 months, you actually renew at $5.99. So you see the difference. When the period of time you're purchasing your hosting and domain increases, that's the longer the length of time, that then the renewal amount is actually going to be smaller. The smaller the renewal amount. All right, so now let's say we are taking this one 12 months. Let's take 12 months. So you see you're saving up to $94.68. Then your subtotal, you're going to be doing this for $28.8, which is approximately 15,000 francs CFA. All right, now you come down here, you have to create this way. Now you have to create an account with Hostinger. You create your account, you enter your email, you come down here, you choose your method of payment, or you can as well, if you don't want to enter your email, you just use your Google account. Use Google account, this is it, or you can use Facebook. Just click on the one you want to use. I'm not going to do that because I already have an account with Hostinger. All right, now you come down, which method you want to use to pay for the domain. You want to use a Visa, a MasterCard, American Express, whatsoever, PayPal, which of them. You select the one you want to use. Let's say, for example, you want to use Visa or MasterCard. You select this. It has been selected already. Now, you just come down. You see the properties of what you're choosing. This is actually what you're choosing. Now, all right, you come down here. You see here, when you look here, you see this coupon code. This coupon code is actually a code I got from somewhere. I input here. Now, I'm going to put a link in the description below. If you want to purchase a domain, if you want to purchase a domain with Hostinger, you can use the link in the description below to purchase that. That is actually my affiliate link. If you purchase that, they're actually going to give me a little commission, which will keep me producing more and more videos like this. Now, the advantage of it is that when you use my affiliate link, you're going to have a reduction in the price. You're going to have a reduction in the price, like what you see here. I've actually used somebody's coupon code, so it's giving me this. All right, so we move down. You enter your card information. When you enter your card information, you submit secure payment. Now, when you submit, I'm going to see you in the order. That's the other side. Now, why I'm not submitting? Because I'm not filling in the information. I'm not submitting because I already have an account with Hostinger. I'm not purchasing a domain. I already have a domain. So now that is just what you have to do. Then I'm going to see you at the other side where I'll show you actually what you need to do with your dashboard. Now, the email you're going to input here, is an email. Make sure it's an email which you are using, an active email, because that is where they are going to send in your login detail. Now, which these login details are actually login details which you're going to use to access your Hostinger dashboard. We call it the H panel, Hostinger panel. That is they'll send your email. Now, take note, they'll send you an email that will contain your password, which you will use here. Now, when you input your information and click on submit, you're going to input your password, which you will use to log into your Hostinger panel. So take note. See you on the other end where I'll be showing you how your dashboard, your Hostinger dashboard looks like. All right, guys, you're welcome back. Now, after you must have gotten an email, after you must have gotten a mail to now you will see actually they'll send you your information. Now you see this is my dashboard, this is my Hostinger dashboard, these are subdomains I have here, this website I've hosted. Now you actually see your password to log in. Now you use your email and your password, or if you use your Google account, you just go to your Google. When you go to Hostinger, you take login. Now you just click on, you use your Google account. Just click on your Google account, everything will pop up and you log in. Or you use your email and your password, the password which you use to create your account. Now you log into your H panel. Once you log into your H panel, you'll see the websites you're hosting. Now just come here. Now I'll use one of these. Just click on manage. Now when you click on manage, they'll take you here. Just hold on for it to load. All right, guys. Now when you're at this point, what you need to do is just click on dashboard. Click on dashboard and you hold on. All right, now when you look here, you actually see that this is my main domain. This is a main domain which I have. All right, now what you need to do is once you purchase your own, this way you're going to find your domain here. Now for you to install WordPress on that domain, what you need to do is just look here, come to websites, just click on websites, click on auto installer. When you click on auto installer, just come down, select WordPress. I'm not going to install WordPress on this domain because I already have WordPress installed on it. Now, when you come here, you'll see here, you have the probability to select from subdomains and your main domain. Now, I'm not going to install it. WordPress, I already have a website on this domain. Now, you just leave your own like that, then this directory, this enter subcategory, this enter subcategory, you just leave it empty. Leave it empty. Now this subcategory is like a case where you want to create, let me say you want to create a block for, let me say I want to create a block for velconcept.com. I will just come here and put in block. It will be velconcept.com/block. Now I'll install WordPress on this domain, but it is not the main, it is not the main domain. It is like a subdomain. This one now is subdomain, not this one now is like a subcategory. It's like a subcategory under VL concept. But now if you want, since you're installing as a main domain, you just leave it like that. You enter your your administrator username here, you enter your administrator password, or you can generate a password. No, you just have to enter a password here. Then you enter your email. Now, this email is the email you're going to actually receive your login detail for your WordPress. Now, this email is also going to save as your administrator email. But when logging in, you have to use but your admin username. Admin username. That's what you're going to be using. All right. Now, you just come down. You come down. You look down here. They'll ask you, turn off automatic application update. Update only to minor version. Update only to update. So always update to latest available version. Now just take this one and then you take install. I'm not going to install because I already have WordPress installed on this main domain. Now when you take install, you have to hold on for it to install. Now if you want to install WordPress on a subdomain, you have to create the subdomain first. Then you go to auto install, you go to website, take auto installer and follow up the same process, just the same. Now I will just have to exit this. Now if you want to know how to install WordPress on a subdomain, then look in the description below. You'll find a link to how to a video which will actually direct you how to install WordPress on a subdomain. All right. Now once you've done that, you have to install SSL certificate. This is SSL certificate. Once you install, all those things will come up. You just take SSL, just highlight SSL or turn on SSL certificate. Then SSL will actually be installed on your domain. All right, now I'm going to actually be taking you in the next video where I'll walk you through your WordPress dashboard. That is, I will be explaining everything in the WordPress dashboard, how to go about it. Then if you want to create your email here, let me show you something about email here. If you want to create a professional email, you just come here. This is where you actually create your email. Now just go to domain. Oh, sorry, just click here, mail service control. Then you take you to email, so you can actually, now when you install a domain, they'll actually ask you to create a professional email. They'll send you an email. You can use that email to create the professional email. All right, now guys, I'll be dropping the next video where the video will be directing you on how to install your theme, how to install your plugins, how to set up your WordPress, and how to build up a website on WordPress without writing a line of code. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that each time I drop valuable content like this, you're going to be one of those who will actually be notified about such videos. All right guys, so see you in the next video.